These tests happening over the weekend in Lower Allen Township, and the township wants people to know now so they're not alarmed by sounds that the test might make. This will be happening on the Mariner East 2 natural gas pipeline that runs through the Susquehanna Valley, and in Cumberland County, the hydro tests are scheduled for the part of the line that runs near Sheepford Road and Thompson Lane in Lower Allen. The township says that during the test, water and air will be held in the pipe under pressure for several hours to check the integrity of the pipeline, and when that is released, sometimes there's a loud noise, so expect to hear that. Traffic not expected to be affected by the test, and they are supposed to start tomorrow at 7 in the morning and last through the weekend. Back to you.